Discovering love can be challenging, and requiring yourself into unpleasant scenarios and out on several weekly dates will only make it feel harder. Focus on dating fewer people rather than more. Selecting quality over quantity will assist you develop more significant connections. Take your dating journey at your own rate, and don't hesitate to take a break if you require to. Love is often found in unforeseen places. Welcome technology and satisfy brand new people online. The idea of being in a congested bar yelling throughout the music to a blind date sounds traumatic to you? Then why not try satisfying brand new people online? Technology has a lot of advantages and disadvantages, but one of the things it has given us is a method of dating and meeting people that isn't entirely anxiety triggering for those people who are introverts. Introverts normally interact much better in composing instead of talking. It makes us feel more comfortable and secured, typing from the security of our own house, and it gives us time to consider our responses and how to react. This suggests that discussion can flow more efficiently, and you can connect better to the individual you're talking with, surpassing little talk and having thoughtful, meaningful discussions. Do not be scared to ditch the dating apps if you're feeling stressed and distressed when you're utilizing them. If you get caught in a loop of talking with individuals, however not satisfying them, you can seem like you're stopping working at dating. Stay favorable and look in different locations. Don't pretend to be somebody you're not. Take the pressure off yourself to be an extrovert, and prevent putting on a front. Be honest about your personality type, and what you take pleasure in. Knowing yourself is a strong introvert quality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.